Dear colleague, hello to everyone. My name is Nikola Djuric. I'm from Faculty of Technical Science, University of Novi Sad. On this occasion, I will explain you a case study of the electromagnetic field monitoring that we are performed analyzing the causality of COVID-19 on the EMF radiation in our campus. The outline of this presentation will be the following. The small introduction about electromagnetic field monitoring will be present. I will explain you the Serbian EMF RATEL system for electromagnetic field monitoring. Later, I will give you a small overview of the distribution of EMF sources around the University of Novi Sad campus. I will present you the long-term EMF monitoring in our campus, and particularly I will mention first and the second wave of COVID-19, and also I will give you some results of statistical analysis of EMF radiation in campus. Finally, this presentation will be concluded with small conclusions. Regarding mobile telephony, we all know that it is most important technology in our society, in our time. It allows wireless communication at any moment and virtually at any place. Unfortunately, the wireless technology is based on electromagnetic field radiation, and the installation of new base stations will cause a strong presence of electromagnetic field in our surrounding. That will increase concerns of the public regarding dangerous health effects. Also, there is a constant demand for supervision of existing electromagnetic exposure, and also the expected technology 5G of the mobile technology will have small problem. The 5G base stations need to work in parallel with existing 2G, 3G and 4G. All of that will increase electromagnetic radiation in surrounding. Investigation and monitoring of EMF exposure is present for a while. There is a number of handheld instruments, there is a number of approaches, but wireless sensor networks for EMF monitoring has emerged as innovative approach for continuous observation of the field in our environment. The latest one regarding the worldwide is the Serbian EMF RATEL monitoring network. It is launched in 2017 and provides sophisticated approach of telecommunication service-based EMF monitoring. The concept of this network is that is following. The EMF sensors are installed on specific places, in some special areas. They perform daily monitoring of EMF levels. They gather results. Later, those results are sent to the internet portal and centralized database, and over the internet, interested users can access those data. The EMF RATEL monitoring system uses continuous wideband approach for EMF measurements. It is capable to provide daily fluctuation of EMF, something that is very important because we can have a better insight in EMF over that area, over that specific location. The EMF RATEL uses two types of sensors. First one, NARDA AMB 8059, can provide wideband monitoring. It counts all sources in surrounding, and the second one, AMS 8061, can provide simultaneous monitoring in up to 20 independent frequency subbands. Regarding data transfer, all sensors have the connection to FTP server. There is a dedicated parser function that can take those measurement results, store them in database, and then users can access those data. Regarding case study of campus of the University of Novi Sad, on the following pictures we present the spatial distribution of EMF sources in that campus. On the left side you can see you can see various EMF services. And also on the right picture you can see the University of Novi Sad central place and position of the sensors that we use for EMF monitoring. This sensor is installed on the roof of the building building which have the highest number of students, and that was very important for us to see what will happen when students are present or not. And in a following picture there is first results of continuous EMF monitoring, and you can see clearly what happened when the first wave of COVID struck the University of Novi Sad. That happened in March 2020. After regular level of 2.5 volt per meter, we have lower level, decreased level to 1.5 volt per meter of electric field. That was the first wave. The second wave was similar. After the summer in University of Novi Sad, situation improved. It was, let's say, much better than the first wave. Unfortunately, at the end of the November, the second wave of the COVID struck the university, and also there you can see what happens with EMF radiation. There is a rapid decrease as we approach to the end of the November and December particularly. In December, the University of Novi Sad was shut down, was closed, and there was no any activity. There is also small statistical analysis of EMF radiation, and you can see what happened in normal period of 2020 in January and February. After that in March and the other months there is a decrease of the EMF levels. Also there is a rapid decrease in November and December and January partially. After that in 2021 the situation became much better, and the EMF radiation returns to the normal, let's say normal level. So, this simple statistical analysis confirms conclusions that was derived from daily graphs. It was shown that absence of students that is caused by COVID-19 disaster reflected on usual EMF radiation levels or patterns, whatever. As the conclusion to this small presentation, we all are aware that dense distribution of base stations can radically improve technical capability of internet access and data transfer. Unfortunately, the new base stations for mobile telephony are followed by negative campaigns. Using continuous wideband EMF monitoring, as well as a service-based approach, we can perform monitoring for 5G, 2G, 3G, 4G networks, and can have picture what happens with EMF radiation. Sophisticated continuous EMF monitoring can be used as a comprehensive EMF surveillance. That approach can provide us plenty of details and important data regarding daily EMF levels. Also, capability of EMF monitoring are seen as a perspective tool for emergency and disaster management. The change of usual levels or patterns in daily EMF radiation can be considered as an early warning sign. Also, it can be useful for various authorities regarding monitoring of any kind of emergency and disaster. If we have situation that something happens with EMF radiation, that can be considered as unusual thing. The EMF monitoring system could serve as a valuable tool. They are able to acquire, analyze, and process data in a real time. They can timely signalize if any unusual change appears in EMF radiation, as it was present in the case study of COVID-19 pandemic and University of Novi Sad campus. That would be all. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, I will gladly answer.